my channel. It's QueenLife here, and today we are reviewing QueenLife hair. I got short hair this time because it's summer. I got the a frontal, which is 14 inches, and then I got all 16-inch bundles. So this hair is the loose wave. Take this out. I want to show the frontal first. So the first thing I'm noticing is that the lace is pretty dark. Yeah, it's like really dark lace. It's like a dark brown, almost, it looks almost black, like a very dark brown tint. You can't really tell on camera, so that might be a little bit of an issue, but the hairline is pre-plucked. Really, really gorgeous. And the hair, oh wow, whoa girl, whoa, that is some soft hair. You can just put your fingers through it. So that's lovely. The hairline looks really, really nice, like I said. So I'm happy with that. I'm gonna open one bundle up because they're all the same length and obviously the same texture. So I'm just gonna open one up to show you guys. They all come in little hair nets, which we love to keep it fresh. Wow, yeah, that's nice. Ooh, that's, ooh, girl, yes. Okay, yes, honey. Ooh, that's, look, do y'all see this bounce? Girl. Yeah, this hair is super gorgeous. Like, I'm really loving it, you guys. Super pretty and really thick all the way down to the ends, which we love. And it's just very dense hair. So yeah, I like it. It's nice. So that's it, you guys. It's pretty much the unboxing. Just wanted to show you guys the hair before I actually installed it. I am going to be doing a video on how I make this wig, so be sure. Actually, I'm going to show you guys how I color the hair, which will probably be in 2 weeks or so. But I will have the final, like the installed video, like with me wearing the hair, sometime next week, so be on the lookout for that video. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see ya in my next